law. What is the Biot-Savart's law? First, to know Eirsted theory. Few days back, I explained Eirsted theory. According to Eirsted theory, current carrying wire to produce a magnetic field. Once again, I repeat. Current carrying wire to produce a magnetic field. Okay, that Eirsted theory, for example, this is the current carrying wire. Direction of magnetic field determined by using Ampere right hand curl rule. For example, in this situation, current flowing upward, this current wire is held in your right hand palm here. In the situation, thumb indicate the direction of current, curl fingers indicate the direction of magnetic field. Simply, current in Z axis, magnetic field is XY plane. Simply, magnetic field and current both are perpendicular to each other. Okay? Once again I repeat. Current carrying wire to produce the magnetic field. In the situation, current flowing upward, okay, this curling fingers indicate magnetic field. For example, current moving downward here, curling fingers indicate the direction of magnetic field. According to Ampere right hand curl rule, current wire, magnetic field, both are always perpendicular to each other. What is the conclusion? Current carrying wire to produce the magnetic field. Now I discuss magnetic field by using Biot-Savart's law. Here the scientist name Biot, other scientist name Savart. Both the scientists give this law. According to this law, this is the current carrying wire. Look here now. This is the current carrying wire. Okay, current carrying wire. Look here now. In the current carrying wire, carrying a current I. Okay, here. I take small element in this wire. This is the small element. This small element length is dl. Okay? According to Eirsted experiment, current carrying wire to produce the magnetic field. Our agenda is at this point to determine the magnetic field. I take a small element to produce small magnetic field. Small magnetic field denoted by dB. What is our agenda? At point P, we want to find magnetic field induction. Okay? This point is a distance from R. From wire to point P. Here R and A. Distance between length of the element to point P. This angle, suppose this angle denoted by theta. Okay? According to Biot-Savart law, magnetic field production mainly depends upon the current too. Okay? Current carrying wire. And also depends upon the length of the of the element, and also depends upon the sign of theta. Here theta ante angle between length of the element and line joining between length of element and point P. Again I repeat, here magnetic field production mainly depends upon the length of the element and also depends upon the carrying current and also depends upon the sign of angle between length of element and line joining between length of element and point P. Okay, next now, and also depends upon inversely proportional to square of the distance between length of element and point P where the magnetic field is determined. ఇదిగో ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ పెరుగుతా ఉందనుకో ఫీల్డ్ ఏమవుతుంది, డిక్రీజ్ బికాస్ ఇన్వర్స్లీ. This can be proved by scientists Bayard and Savard. According to this rule, magnetic field production mainly depends upon the current carrying wire and also depends upon the length of the element and also depends upon the sign of theta. Theta means angle between length of element and line joining between length of element to point P and also inversely proportional to square of the distance between length of the element to point P. Okay, this is magnetic field production. Here in the situation, okay, dB, okay, directly proportional to, look here nana, I dl sin theta by r square. Okay, all will be mixing. This is the final formula. Here nana, in the final formula proportional can be removed to write the constant dB equal to proportional can be removed to write constant. The constant is mu naught by 4 pi, look here, into I dl sin theta by r square. Okay, what is the formula for dB? Mu naught by 4 pi ideal sin theta by r square. Here mu naught by 4 pi is called proportionality constant, is called proportionality constant, proportionality constant. Okay, here mu naught by 4 pi is called proportionality constant. In the situation, mu naught is called permeability of free space. మీకు ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీలో ఇప్సిలాన్ నాట్ ఐడియా ఉందా? permittivity of free space. Here mu naught is called permeability of free space. Once again, what is the mu naught? Permeability of free space. Its value experimentally determined mu naught value 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 SI unit. Okay, what is the mu naught, Nana? Permeability of free space. Its value is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 SI unit. Okay, what is the formula for magnetic field production due to small element of the wire? What is the formula? Mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin theta by r square. Okay, dB formula. dB and enti? dB is magnetic field production due to small element of the wire. What is the formula? Mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin theta by r square. ననా దీన్ని వెక్టార్ ఫామ్లో రాయొచ్చు. ఎలా రాయొచ్చో చూద్దాం. చూడండి, లుక్ హియర్ నానా, వెక్టార్ ఫామ్ ఎలా రాయొచ్చో చూడండి. dB ఈక్వల్ టు, ఓకే, లుక్ హియర్ నానా, mu naught by 4 pi, లుక్ హియర్, I dl r sin theta by, here r square write as r cube. r ఏమవుతుంది? cancel. We get this situation. Look here. ఎందుకు ఇలా రాశాను సార్ అంటే ఐడియల్ ఏ అన్నాం, r ఏమందాం, b అందాం. ఇది ab sin theta. Look here. This is ideal. This is r. ఐడియల్ కి r కి బిట్వీన్ యాంగిల్ ఎంత? theta. ఇది in the mathematics this formula is called AB sin theta. AB sin theta write as AB sin theta write as A bar cross B bar. Simply ideal bar cross r bar. Once again I repeat, AB sin theta write as A bar cross B bar by r cube. This is the vector form of the magnetic field induction due to small element. What is the formula for dB? Here we know that ఇదేంటి నాన్న, A bar cross B bar, ఇదేమవుతుంది C bar. In the mathematics C bar equal to A bar cross B bar. Simply nana, C bar direction always perpendicular to plane of A bar cross B bar. Simply ideal bar R bar ki dB ఎలా ఉండాలి? perpendicular. Direction of magnetic field always perpendicular to plane of dl bar and r bar according to cross product. A cross B gives what? C bar. Direction of C bar always perpendicular to plane of A bar and B bar. Similarly, ideal bar R bar plane ki dB ఎలా ఉండాలి? perpendicular. Direction of dB perpendicular to plane of ideal and R bar. Write down all. Very important. Bio-Savart law is very important concept. Look here. This is the circular coil. First listen question. This is circular coil. This circular coil carrying a current I. Okay, this current carrying wire to produce what field? Magnetic field. According to what theory? Oersted theory. According to Oersted theory, current carrying wire to produce the magnetic field. Okay, look here now. Current carrying wire to produce the magnetic field. Magnetic field nana. Okay, in the situation nana, these circular coil radius denoted by capital R. What is the data? Here R is the circular coil radius. This line is called axial line. This is the center of the circle. On the axial line, we want magnetic field at a point P. In the point P, there is a field called magnetic field. This is our agenda. Look here. Once again, I repeat the question. Circular coil radius is what? R. Okay. In the situation on the axial line, we want to determine magnetic field at a point P is at distance x from center of the circle. This is the question. To again read the question. At P దగ్గర మనం ఏం డిటర్మైన్ చేయాలి? మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఇండక్షన్ డిటర్మైన్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? లుక్ హియర్ నౌ. In the situation, okay, nana I apply Biot-Savart law. Apply cheyali ante I take small element nana. This small element direction is here. This is dl bar. Okay, small element nunchi point P kunna distance indakeda anukunnam manam small r. Nana, according to vector form of the magnetic field induction, B ideal arc ఎలా ఉండాలి? Perpendicular. ఇది nana direction of B. According to vector form, the direction of B is perpendicular to R. So this angle is 90 degrees. Suppose ఇది 5 అన్నాను అనుకో, ఇదేమవుతుంది 90 minus 5. ఇది y axis, ఇది x axis. Once again, y axis, x axis 90. ఇది 90 minus 5 అయితే ఇదేమవుతుంది 5. సింపుల్గా ఇది 5 అయితే ఇది కూడా ఏమవుతుంది 5. ఎందుకు ఈ రెండు పర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉన్నాయి? అకార్డింగ్ టు Biot-Savart law, direction of B always perpendicular to ideal and R bar. This is R bar. R bar ki ela undali? Perpendicular. And any degrees? 90 degrees. Okay? మరి ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఇంకోటి డౌట్. ఇప్పుడు Biot-Savart law అప్లై చేద్దాం. వాట్ ఈస్ ద Biot-Savart law? dB equal to mu naught by 4 pi. Look here, complete అవుతుంది. I dl sin theta by r square. Here in the situation, in the previous concept, theta is angle between dl and r. Here this is dl, this is r. This total angle is 90. So that's why DLR angle is 90. Sin 90 value 1. So that's why what is the magnetic field induction formula? Mu naught by 4 pi. Look here. I dl by r square. due to this small element. 1 minute. We resolve dB. ఇది dB కదా ఇప్పుడు dB bar. dB bar resolve. We know that angle says dB cos theta. This component is dB sin theta. Okay, look here now. This is the dB resolve two component. Angle says dB cos theta, remaining will be dB sin theta. Angle is phi, dB cos phi, dB sin phi. Look here. Okay, dB cos phi, dB sin phi. This element. Here dB bar, it also resolve dB cos, dB sin. dB cos what? Cancel according to symmetry. Opposite element I take. Here, this is the magnetic field dB. Resolve dB cos, dB sin. dB cos what? Cancel. According to symmetry, only which will be remain? dB sin phi. So that's why dB net equal to dB sin phi. ఏదో వీడియో సరిగ్గా రాదన్నారుగా మళ్ళా చూడండి. ఇక్కడ ఆపోజిట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఒకటి ఎగ్జ్యూమ్ చేశాను. దానివల్ల వచ్చే మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఇది dB. రిజాల్వ్ చేస్తే dB cos, dB sin. dB cos what? Cancel. So that's why here only which will be remain? dB sin. Okay, small becomes large. We apply integrating. Look here Nana, we apply integrating dB net. Here integration dB sin phi. Nana, I take a small element, it becomes large, complete circle. We apply both side integration. Here what is the limits? 0. Full circle 2 pi r. Here capital R is the radius of the circle. Integration dB net equal to B net equal to, okay, what is the integration dB value? Look the board Nana, look the board. What is the dB value? Look here, right? Mu naught by 4 pi, okay, I dl by small r square into sin phi. According to diagram, sin means opposite side by hypotenuse side. Opposite side capital R, hypotenuse side small r. Neatly write as, look here, what is the net magnetic field induction due to circular current carrying coil, okay, on the axial line. Here constant terms are common, mu naught by 4 pi common, okay, I common, R common, whole by R cube. Integration of dl is there. Lower limit 0. Full circle 2 pi r. Okay, look here Nana. Integration dx x. Integration dl l. B net equal to mu naught by 4 pi. Look here Nana. I capital R by R cube. Okay, integration dl l. What is the direct గా లిమిట్స్ కూడా అప్లై చేస్తున్నాను నాన్న. అప్పర్ లిమిట్ ఎంత? 2 pi r. లోయర్ లిమిట్ అవసరమా? ఏముంది అక్కడ? 0. కాబట్టి ఇది వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ నాన్న పై వాట్ క్యాన్సిల్. 2 how many times cancel? 2 times. What is the B net? Look here, Nana. Mu naught. Look here. I. R into R square. Look here, Nana. Whole by 2 into small r cube. Okay. In the topic, Nana, according to triangle. Look here the diagram. This is R. This is X. This is small r. This is the right angle triangle. Which theorem applicable? Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. R square plus X square. This means small r equal to under root R square plus X square. Here substitute. What is the B net? What is the B net? Equal to mu naught. Look here, Nana. I capital R square by 2 into here R right, Nana. Neatly that can write R square plus X square whole power 3 by 2. This is the formula for net magnetic field induction due to current carrying circular coil. Circular coil, Nana. Carrying a current I. Current carrying circular coil to produce the magnetic field at point P. In the situation, circular coil radius R, here to here, the distance is X. Here, X is the distance from center of the circular coil to point P, where the magnetic field is determined. According to Biot-Savart law, I take small element to point P. This distance we know that small r. Here, according to Biot-Savart law, R and magnetic field both are perpendicular to each other. I assume this angle phi. Automatically this angle 90 minus phi. This angle also phi. Okay, dB resolve in two components, dB cos phi. Okay, this is what? dB sin phi. Here, according to other symmetry element, opposite element is called symmetric element. This line is small r. Here, this is the magnetic field, because according to Biot-Savart law, magnetic field are ఎలా ఉండాలి? Perpendicular. రిజాల్వ్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది? dB cos వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది? dB sin. dB cos ఏమైంది? క్యాన్సిల్. So net field due to only dB sin. So that's why I take dB sin phi. Both side I have to apply integration because to apply full circle circumference enta 2 pi r. Okay, I apply integration dl value L. Integration dl value L. Okay, look here now. Finally we get, look the board now. Last step to check them. What is the net magnetic field induction due to current carrying circular coil on the axial line? Mu naught I R square by 2 into R square plus X square whole power 3 by 2. Okay, look here now. Nana, here circular coil have one turn, but every circular coil have n turns. అంటే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్న్స్ ఉన్నాయి నాన్న. n turns ఉంటే net magnetic field is mu naught n I R square by 2 into r square plus x square